Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the YUNZII B75 Pro. It's a 75% Trimode keyboard with a volume knob priced around $80. In this video, I have the gray version paired with the Cocoa Cream V2 switch, but there's also other colors and switch variants to choose from. So for around $80, here is what you get. In the box, there's the quick start guide, the user manual booklet, a Type A to Type C cable, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, 2 extra mechanical switches, 7 extra accent color keycaps, a YUNZII branded hard plastic protective cover, and of course the B75 Pro keyboard, which has a plastic case and weighs around 900 grams or 1.9 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard features an exploded 75% layout with the volume knob on the top right corner, 4 indicator lights next to the backspace key, a rounded two-tone case with the Type-C port, Trimode switch and 2.4 GHz dongle in the middle on the back, and 5 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 flip-out ones to increase the typing angle of the keyboard so you can choose which suits you more. Going on to the other components, it also has cherry profile double shot PVT keycaps that matches with the color of the case, YUNZII Cocoa Cream V2 linear switches that are pre-loop and produces a clacky yet poppy sound, pre-loop plate-mounted stabilizers that have no rattle with some silicone sound dampeners added to the spacebar, a gasket-mounted flex-cut polycarbonate plate that is surprisingly stable with a little bit of bounce, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB that has per-key RGB. Not only that, the keyboard has a 4000 mAh power battery that can last around 2 weeks of use, and 5 layers of sound dampening mods that gives it a very full and clacky sound. Carrying on to the software, the keyboard supports a web-based driver or a native driver depending on the version you have. With the driver, you can set different profiles, configure the RGB lighting's effects, brightness, speed, and color, remap all of the keys on the keyboard with the functions available, record new macros or import existing ones, and access other settings like the sleep timer and polling rate as well. Diving into the performance, the keyboard has a 1000 Hz polling rate and is great for typing and gaming. There is no noticeable latency or lag from my testing, and the typing feel is pretty good too with a slightly bouncy yet firm experience. As for the sound, it has a more high-pitched poppy or clacky sound which sounds quite clean with the 5 layers of sound dampening mods. So without further ado, here is the typing sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the YUNZII B75 Pro. For around $80, it's a really clean and simple 75% keyboard. It has the typical 75% layout with a volume knob without any gimmicks or weird features. So if you're looking for a wireless mechanical keyboard that looks great, works fine, sounds clacky, and comes in color options that are simple and clean, The YUNZII B75 Pro is a decent option if you don't mind the plastic case. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to YUNZII for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.